Welcome back. As I was moving forward on the attachment of the machine, I found that it was not safe to have only the machine attached to the two bulkheads here. So I found out a reinforcement in the hull, and I decided to attach the machine and the plate to the hull through a permanent screws and bolts, and so everything looks much better now.
Here we are. The machine is in position. Everything went very well. It's exactly what I wanted. Not too big. It does not impair the head to lift. There is enough room to use the toilet, and there is enough room around the machine to be easy to attach the cover, because there is one screw over there. And so it's in position. It's well attached, so it's no problem. So now next step is to remove the machine, prepare for the electricity, for the water, and the evacuation as well. And I will paint the plate at the bottom here, because it's just one coat of white paint. I will put another one, but I wanted to make sure that everything was fine, so it is done. Okay, next to follow.